How to save money when buying car parts. Do you want to get your car repaired without being overcharged? Here are some tips on how to save money when buying car parts. Install the Autodoc app. Shop on your smartphone anytime, anywhere. This will get you a discount of up to 3%. Ordering via the app is always cheaper than on the website. Don't hunt for famous trademarks. Don't get overcharged for a brand name. A high price doesn't always mean high quality. Buy reliable car parts without a big markup. Earn cashback on online shopping. Check with your bank on setting up cashback and start benefiting from every purchase you make. You can also get money via special cashback sites. To do this, follow these steps. Choose a reliable cashback service. Use the link they provide to go to the online shop, buy the car part you need, earn cashback. Refer a friend and get a bonus. Encourage a friend, relative, neighbor or colleague to follow the simple steps on our online shop, and the bonus is yours. Order more and save on delivery fees. Group all items you're buying in one order and get free delivery. Is your order below the minimum value for free delivery? Add one more product to the cart. It makes more sense than paying the delivery fee. Find a good discount shopping site. Take a little time to search for a helpful service to keep you up to date with all special offers on the automotive market. This will help you buy spare parts at the best price. Follow Autodoc on social media. Participate in contests on our Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook pages. And win prizes from Autodoc.